This is what happens if you drop your trailer and you don't make sure that the ground beneath is hard. See what I'm saying? Look at that. See how one side just sank? Like he may have well dropped that in pudding. And this trucker here, he's lucky. Look how close that thing came to hitting him. Look at that. Otherwise, he'd be getting sued. Yeah, see, trucking is dangerous, folks. Y'all don't realize it. One little thing goes wrong, and look at this. You see how it just sank down in there like quicksand. Now hold, look, luckily I think I can't tell if it's empty or not, but it's gonna cost money getting that thing out, or maybe a forklift would do it. But that's why you gotta be careful out here when driving these big rigs, cause that's why it isn't the most dangerous trade for no reason, cause things happen, folks.